How to make more points on Fetch Rewards without getting banned. Legit. Number 1. Use your referral code. Step 1. Copy the referral code. Step 2. Grab a different device. I'm using my old tablet. Step 3. Download Fetch Rewards and Text Now on your other device. Step 4. Sign up into Text Now and copy the number. Step 5. Sign up into Fetch Rewards and enter your referral code. Step 6. Scan a receipt. Make sure it has the store, total, and date. Finally, Step 8. Open Fetch Rewards. If you want to keep doing this, factory data reset on your other device. But that's all today. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hoped this helped out. Bye.